Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your LG TV from the store mode over to the home mode. Maybe you bought like a display model or something like that. Well, this is easy to do. Let's go up to settings right here and select this. And then go to settings here. And there's a specific option for this. So if we go down to support, and then we can go to home/store mode. So it says select the place where to use the TV, in home or store demo. If you select store demo mode, it is set to be optimized for retail displays. So just make sure you select the correct mode under here. If you have store mode, it's probably going to look, it's got all the fancy features on and stuff, but just go to home mode and then you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.